Hello, I'm Grant from Makersvlog, and today I reached 1,000 subscribers. Like, holy shit. Why? I don't get it. Yesterday I was on like 600 odd, and I put up the video of the EMP generator, and then I had 1,000. Yeah, that one did quite well. Yeah, thanks guys. Yeah, thanks. I don't know what else to say. Holy shit. 1,000 people want to listen to me talk shite and build weird things. It's strange. Yeah, I was planning to make this sort of video before I reached 1,000 because I didn't have any ideas of what to do for 1,000. I wanted to do something, but I wasn't sure what, so I was going to do a Q&A type thing. And I was going to put out this type of video saying, oh, I'm going to be reaching 1,000 subscribers soon, all being well. You know, to put questions, but yeah, that happened overnight. So yeah, I don't know when I'll do the Q&A thing. I might actually come up with an idea for a 1,000 subscriber special thing, maybe, I don't know. But for the meantime, I'm doing a Q&A. So if you have anything that you want to ask or anything out there, you know, put it in the comments here or on the Discord channel, and the link for that's below as well. Yeah, and yeah, I'll do that at some point in the future. I think I'll probably do a live stream of it at some point in the evening, maybe over the weekend. I'm not sure. I'm not sure when, but I will pick a date. But as a treat, today, the day that I'm putting this out, Wednesday, I'm playing D&D. So, I mean, look at me, of course I play D&D on every Wednesday at 7 PM GMT, so British time. I stream Dungeons and Dragons. I play it with a group of people. There's a Danish, or not Danish, guy from the Netherlands, a lady from Sweden, one of my friends from here, lives in Northern Ireland, and a guy from America. I believe he's California, but I could be getting that wrong. I don't know. America's just one big blob to me. I don't know. Pretty sure it's California. But we stream every Wednesday night at 7 o'clock, and I play a wizard called Vince. You might actually see me make a pipe on this channel for one of my other characters, Grimhook. He's no longer with us. He didn't last too long. But I'll put a link for that below. I think I'm going to try and put this video out at about 6:30, maybe 7:15. So if you're seeing this video whenever it comes out, the stream should be started or starting soon. So you could go over and see that. I also DM, same channel on Twitch, but I run a Curse of Strahd campaign, which is sort of very gothic and vampire and stuff, and I DM that one. And that's on Mondays, and that's only just started. So if you want to see that, we're only 2 episodes in at the meantime. Good group, seems to be going quite well. They got their asses handed to them in a few fights, but you know, they'll be fine. But I thought I'd share that with you as a bit of a treat, I suppose, if you just want to go and see that, and see the DM stuff. See what I'm like outside of this area where I usually stand. I don't know. So yeah, I'll be doing a Q&A in the future. So put anything that you want to know in the comments, as well as on the Discord chat you can put on there as well. And yeah, I'll do a video at some point in the future on that. And yeah, thanks again guys.